I will talk about how can you change language on your Fly browser app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, you click here on me down here. So when you click on me, it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to language, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you select your language here. You just click on confirm here, just click on it. So then here automatically here it's going to change a language here on your Fly browser app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.